If you want to cook the best potatoes in your life, stop throwing me straight into the oven. Do this delicious secret recipe instead. First, cut me into thick chunks. Thick pieces give you crunch on the outside and soft clouds on the inside. Then boil me in heavily salted water for 10 minutes. This softens my outer layer and builds surface starch. Next, drain me completely just like your girl does. Then shake me violently inside the pot. That starch is the secret. It is what turns into golden crust later. Spread me on a tray and do not overcrowd me. Space equals crisp. Pour hot oil over me, not cold oil. Hot oil seals the surface instantly. This hurts like hell, but it's necessary. Roast me at very high heat, around 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Halfway through, take me out and flip me once. Just once. Respect the crust. When I come out of the oven, salt me immediately. Steam helps the salt stick. Now split me open. Listen to that crunch. Crispy outside, fluffy inside. You just got taught a chef's secret recipe. Enjoy.